So in this single module, I've tried to just give you a taste of some of the pieces of JavaScript that we're going to be interested in using with this new website, and we've implemented a pretty simple feature, the showing and hiding of the sidebar, using that. Later on in this course, we'll go ahead and use AngularJS to implement all of our client-side business code. But we still might have additional jQuery or plain old JavaScript pieces of code that our website continues to use. So far in what I've taught you, I've really barely scratched the surface in JavaScript. It can be a fairly deep topic for you to really understand when you're doing web development. So I do encourage you to not take this as your entire teaching of JavaScript and learn some more on your own either during reviewing of this course or later on. And the two courses that I can suggest is I have, like I suggested last time, a front-end web development quick start, and here we go a little bit deeper into JavaScript. Or when you want to go much deeper, I have a JavaScript for C# developers course that can take you through and compare JavaScript to C# to try to teach you a lot of the meat and guts of JavaScript so you can be more comfortable with it more quickly if you're coming from the C# space. JavaScript is one of the deepest places in the Pluralsight library, so if you also want to just dig into JavaScript as a language, search for JavaScript at the search bar and you're going to get a plethora of great courses on JavaScript. I do encourage you to learn JavaScript as a ASP.NET developer. Don't just assume that everything you're going to do is on the server side. So what have we learned so far in this module? Hopefully you've seen that JavaScript, while it comes from humble beginnings, is a pretty powerful language for manipulating doing client-side code. You've seen that it is the default language for client-side web applications, and for the most part it's going to be the language you're going to use or generate. The Bower Package Manager can simplify getting of these JavaScript packages as we need them. And through the course, we'll be getting different pieces of the client-side experience using Bower. And we'll see how it can simplify getting these packages and handling the dependency chains of those packages. And finally, I've introduced you to jQuery as really a great tool for building complex web pages. Though it is the starting point for where we're learning JavaScript, and later on we will spend some significant time with AngularJS as a client-side framework for building your web applications. This has been the JavaScript module of building a web app using ASP.NET 5, MVC 6, Entity Framework 7, Bootstrap, and Angular course. My name is Sean Wildermuth of Wilder Minds. Thank you.